Virgin Galactic announcing its first commercial space tourism flight. It's spiking the shares by 36%. The space flight called Galactic 1 is set to take off between June 27th and June 30th. Galactic 2 is going to follow in early August. The announcement exciting investors after the company lost over 2/3 of its share value last year from launch delays. And Rachelle, this launch date is pretty much in line with what the company had talked about, but I guess that they're confirming it is seen as a good sign.
It is, and I think they could do with some good news. I mean, they had finished conducting the last of their pre-commercial test flights. I believe that was in late May. So we knew this was coming. Obviously, it's coming up very quickly here. And really, this is a bit of a boon. A lot of us wondering, when we were going to start seeing some of these commercial space flights coming up. And it seems Virgin ahead of the game here. Brad, what are your thoughts?
I mean, I can't wait to be able to buy a ticket to space. But as of right now, those dollars are going to have to go into a house on home. Should I be able to find one and just make sure I save that much. But as we continue to look across Virgin Galactic and how they're going to need to strike the right price among a base of consumers, which is yet to be fully realized and discovered or hit critical mass, we'll see what that looks like in the future. But then also for the number of launches that they're going to try and do per year, I mean, we're not nearly at even a cadence where we know what that frequency will look like. So any inclination for the company to say, all right, we've got a window that's opened up. As you were mentioning, they said that window opened up in May. And then additionally, now moving forward with flights, the stock is going to be highly reactive on any of those announcements, just as it is today. And we'll see if there's any big names that go on this flight, too. That was all the fanfare when we started to see some of these test flights taking place.
Yeah, we'll find out who has the cash to get on these things.